Hey guys, today we have best Android flagship smartphone, 2023. Samsung Galaxy S23. And we are going to compare this smartphone with iPhone 14. So let's unbox this smartphone. Now anybody knows what we get with flagship smartphones: only charging cable, SIM injector tool and some manuals, whose nobody reads that. Now, let's get good look of our S23. This black color looks very professional and premium. Satisfying peel. Let's talk about phone specs. Phone comes with Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 2 processor, with more than 1.2 million and 2.2 score benchmarks. 6.1-inch dynamic AMOLED, 120Hz, HDR10 Plus display, with 1750 nits of peak brightness. Triple rear camera setup, 50-megapixel main camera, 12-megapixel ultrawide and 10-megapixel telephoto lens. Aluminum body frame, with front and back Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection. Just like iPhone 14. Now let's do comparison between Samsung S23 and iPhone 14, and let's see which smartphone give us better performance and experience. But before that, guys, please watch this. The money this channel makes, we are going to donate and help poor kids, so I just have a small request to you guys. Subscribe if you don't, and share this video with your family and friends. If you guys help me that much, so I can able to help them. Thank you so much. First, the display and sound quality test. Which smartphones sound and display better? Let me know in the comments. Camera test. Now, let's do some gaming. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Thanks for watching.